Okay, people, this is Paul Maxwell, aka The Leader. Watch Eddy Vision TV for all the latest sports and information, right? Like, share, and subscribe.
Greetings, sports fans. Welcome back to Eddy Vision, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now, Paul Hall out. Yes, played 11 and he looks to be out. 11 and out. It is now said that the Jamaica Football Federation, the JFF, is now actively searching for a new head coach after talks between the organization and interim coach Paul Hall have reportedly broken down. It is understood that the JFF hierarchy became upset with Hall after he reportedly threatened to resign after tensions between the Reggae Boyz and the JFF because of mishandled flight arrangements for the team's return to Kingston. This was after Jamaica's 1-1 draw in Suriname in the Nation League. The incident resulted in the players demanding the resignation of General Secretary Dalton Wint. The team said it would not play the return leg of the game in Kingston on June 7 if Wint was not removed from his role. He has since promised to give in to their demands to leave the role. However, no official resignation letter has been submitted. It is said that JFF officials felt disrespected that Hall decided to stand in solidarity with the players on their ultimatum, leading them to look at other candidates for the role permanently. Hall, now 49 years old, was a member of Jamaica's team that qualified for the FIFA World Cup in France in 1998 and previously served in an assistant coach's role with the Reggae Boyz. He was then appointed on an interim basis in December after then head coach Theodore Whitmore's dismissal. He led the Reggae Boyz in Nation League to a 3-1 win over Suriname on June 7, then a 1-1 draw at home with Mexico on June 14. His contract expires at the end of the month. Now, this is the reason that JFF have put out. They're saying that he took side, he went on the side of the players, which may be true, but I don't believe this is the real reason. So you're watching this video to find out the real reason why Paul Hall will not be the coach for Jamaica. Look, for me, this is just an excuse. They wanted Paul Hall out. They basically was just waiting for Jamaica to qualify for the Gold Cup. He was never the man that they wanted. He was second choice or third choice, however you want to put it, but he was never the man for the JFF to carry this team forward. So it was always inevitable that Paul Hall would go. Secondly, they claimed a contract was on the table. I think money was an issue as well. The contract was not signed by Paul Hall. So I think the money, finances was not right. So I think that's another reason why Paul Hall will not be the coach. Thirdly, the costs again. It definitely will cost too much for Paul Hall to get the job permanently. We already know he has his job with QPR, so definitely he would need a good package for him to leave that job permanently and come to Jamaica and coach Reggae Boyz. I don't think they were willing to put that sort of money on the table to give to Paul Hall. Last reason is performance. We know he's a new coach, rebuilding. He played 11 games, 2 wins, 3 draws, 6 defeats. Definitely nothing to write home about. I think his bad run has cost him as well. So that's another major reason why Paul Hall will not be the coach. So there you have it, sports fans. The real reasons why Paul Hall will not be Jamaica's coach going forward. The JFF will always say it's because of the Suriname debacle in terms of him picking sides with the players, but it's all an excuse. It wasn't because he was threatening to resign. That's nothing to really lose your job about and not get your contract renewed. I mentioned the reasons. Look into it, people, for yourself. those are the reasons. So let me know in the comment section. Do you believe JFF that is because he threatened to leave the job or took sides with the players? Or is it that the other reasons that I give were more logical and valid? Drop the comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Always remember, like, share and subscribe.